The Congress party has strongly criticized the BJP after a video was shared from the ruling party's Assam unit on social media platform X. The video, which has now been deleted, showed Assam Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma holding a gun and firing during what appeared to be a shooting practice session. The video included a caption that described the act as a point-blank shot and visually showed two people standing in front of the target, one wearing a skull cap and another with a beard. Congress leaders claimed that the imagery and caption together sent a dangerous message and amounted to targeting minorities. Reacting sharply, Congress alleged that the video promoted hatred and violence and demanded strict legal action. Senior Congress leader K.C. Venugopal described the video as deeply disturbing and said such content should not be taken lightly. He called upon the judiciary to intervene and ensure accountability. Congress spokesperson Supriya Shrinate also questioned the silence of institution and accused the BJP of encouraging divisive politics. She stated that such visuals and message create fear and mistrust in society and damage the idea of unity. After public outrage grew, the BJP's Assam unit deleted the video. However, opposition leaders pointed out that the video had already been widely downloaded and shared before it was taken down. Shiv Sena UBT leader Priyanka Chaturvedi also criticized the post, stating that deleting it later does not erase the impact it may have already created. The BJP has not issued a detailed clarification on the matter so far. This incident has once again raised serious questions about the use of political messaging on social media, the responsibility of leaders, and the impact such content can have on social harmony. The debate now continues over whether this was a case of poor judgment or something more serious that requires legal scrutiny.